Hello, this is Katie and it is that time again. It's my relax and craft subscription box time. So I've had a little sneaky peek. I cannot believe this box is so heavy. There is so much in here. I'm very, very excited. I've already had a little peek and seen what's in there. So it doesn't fit underneath my camera very well this time because it's a different shape box. I'm just going to move it to the side just a little. We have got my favourite bits, or one of my favourite bits, my sweeties. We've got my lovely cup of tea, green tea this time, which is fabulous. So I'm going to go straight in and show you like the main part of this box, because we've got female clay. We've got polymer clay. It's amazing. So we've got a whole block of black, a whole block of white and a whole block of red. So thinking about mixing those, that is going to give you so many colours, so many different tones, different colours. So that is very exciting, especially it being the month of love. We've got the red as well, black and white. You can do everything with that. The monochromes would be fantastic with that. So the other things we've got are findings, lots of findings. So we've got beading thread, and we have got these amazing little things. So we've got some pinch bales in there. Can you see the pinch bales that are in there? But then these are like the inner part of a, I guess, Pandora style bead. So you would pop each side in and you put your cord or your bracelet through the middle and create those gorgeous beads that you pop on the Pandoras or the snake style bracelets. So that's going to be so much fun to play with. In here we have got colettes, so those are the way that you end your designs. And then we've got some lobster claw clasps. In here we have got some crimps and some jump rings, and we've got our head pins and ear wires. So loads of findings, lots of opportunities to make lots of jewellery, and it does not stop there. So we know we're going to be making with polymer clay this month. I love all these little bags as well, because you can use these to re-gift. So what is in here? I haven't seen what's in here yet, so I haven't opened it. Let's have a look. Oh, I think this is Picasso Jasper. I think it is. I will check. I'll double check. That is beautiful. Look at the patterns you get in this. Look at that bead there. That is absolutely gorgeous. That is going to work so well with the polymer clay designs. Now, I'm going to be honest, I'm not a polymer clay expert. I've had a go before. I've made some lovely things, but I'm not an expert at all. So it will be trial and error. There is an amazing, I've already checked it out briefly. There is an amazing tutorial with this box as well, which has, I think it's around about a 2-hour masterclass from the amazing Caroline, which is the designer from this box. Now look at this bag. I'm just going to move, this is empty now. I'm going to move that out of the way. There's another huge bag. So we've got all of our clay, all of our findings, our beads, our thread, our chocolate, our tea, and then, oh my gosh, we have got everything you're going to need to create polymer clay jewellery. So I will open this up. So I haven't checked this out yet. So we've got some little cutters in there. Can you see those little cutters in there? And a little pot to keep them in. We have got your cutters with your blades. So that generally, I would imagine it has 3 different blades, flexible blades, and that'll be interchangeable. So that's everything you need to cut your clay, especially if you're going to make canes and things. We have got, I don't really know what that is, apart from maybe being a scraper or something like that. I'll find out when I watch the rest of the video. And we have got an acrylic roller. It's got plastic on at the moment, but that makes it really nice and easy to roll. And then this, I know there has been a little bit of confusion in the group about this, because it does look like a coaster, doesn't it? But it's not. If we, watch me not be able to peel it off now. There, it is an acrylic board to work on. Why can't I get it off? You'll be able to peel this off, and there will be an acrylic board. Let me just do that. I got it. So can you see that's shiny? So, and then you'll peel off the other side as well. So basically it'll be clear like this. So it'll be an acrylic board. So you've got that to work on. You can also, if you, when I did polymer clay before, I worked on a ceramic tile, really smooth ceramic tile, and you can use your acrylic block to actually roll your beads and things like that. So that is a really important bit of kit when you're working with polymer clay. So, oh my God, look at how much you get in here. It's huge. So this is the Relax and Craft subscription box. This is the one for February 2014. You're obviously not going to be able to get this one now because this one has passed, it's arrived. Sometimes the lovely Fleur has extra boxes on her website available, so do check out the link below the video and see if you can get this box. You wouldn't get all the tutorials, but you may get some of the tutorials, and you also get a massive community when we do sign up for the actual subscription, a community where we all share our makes, share what we've done, share what we love, share what we don't like as well. You know, everybody's got an opinion. And it's just a really great jewellery making community. Get to try out new mediums. Every month is a different medium. Check out my previous videos for boxes and demonstrations made from the contents of the boxes. Now I am going to scoot off and probably eat the chocolate and make a cup of tea and have a think about what I'm going to do with all my goodies from this month. So thank you so much. Don't forget, click the link below this video to see what else you can get in these boxes. Look at what else that Fleur does. She does some amazing kits, amazing tutorials. She's so clever. And I will see you again soon. And don't forget, like and subscribe to my videos and you won't miss a thing. It's not just opening boxes, I make jewellery too. So I'll see you again really soon.